Cricut has gifted us with a new design space for desktop update. This is one of my favorites in a while. Let me show you what these mean. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make. Cricut has made collections more useful. When you bookmark your project, a Cricut project, Cricut images, or even your uploaded images, it will now allow you to quickly add it to a collection. As a reminder, every Cricut account has 5 free collections. If you want more collections, you will need to subscribe to Cricut Access. If you don't add it to a collection right away, you can go into the My Stuff tab in the top right corner. There you can select projects or images and drag and drop them into the collections you want. Selecting fonts is never going to be simple because there are so many great fonts to choose from. But Cricut has made it easier with a few new features. My absolute favorite, since it applies to system fonts as well as Cricut fonts, is that when you select the drop-down to change the font, it is now a pop-out window that can move around. So you can see the fonts without moving your design or having to open and close the font menu a million times. They've also added keyword buttons to search Cricut fonts with. You can also use your own search terms. If you want to find a font that you've just been using, you can now go to the Recent tab in Fonts to select that. Font filters have improved. Fonts can also be featured on the home screen, and you can add them to your canvas right away or bookmark them for later. They will also show up in universal search results. Cricut has a variety of videos on the home screen. Currently, they have some featuring DIY Alex. If you haven't followed her for crafty inspiration, I highly recommend it. When you start watching it on the Cricut home screen, it becomes a tile that will go with you throughout Design Space. You can control the video and audio within the window, including changing the speed it plays at. This should be helpful if a video is walking you through a project or process. You'll quickly be able to pause, rewind, and adjust as needed. I love the 3 size options for the videos. The default is about 1/4 of the screen. You can minimize the window if you need to look at your project without distraction, or you can make the video full size to see details. When you're searching for images, you can now filter by newest instead of it only filtering by Cricut's definition of relevant. This should be helpful if you want to see what new designs have been added to a specific category or search term. There are a ton of bug fixes in this update, also known as fixed field issues. If you want to see the detailed release notes, check out the link in the description below. If you are new here, please consider clicking the subscribe and notification button so you know when I release new videos with Cricut updates, news, and projects. Happy holidays! Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.